Today I am going to show you how to brew Thai tea, iced black tea or iced tea. It is called Cha Dam Yen in Thailand. And then there is the Thai iced lemon tea or Cha Manao. And then finally, the most popular of them all, it is Chai Yen, which is Thai milk tea. This time I am going to show you how to make it using an espresso machine. For today's recipe, we are going to use Cha Tramu, which is the most popular Thai tea brand in Thailand. But then there are many other brands, especially newer blends these days. They are stronger and they are better. Cha Tramu is more mass market, but because it is easily accessible all over the world and many of you have already started using it, that is the brand that I'm going to show you today. If you're going to use Cha Tramu, I would say that you use 2 tablespoons for each of the brew. But if you're using my blend, I suggest that you use a scoop, which is about 4 teaspoons, so it is definitely less the amount that you would use if you are using the Cha Tramu brand. When brewing using the espresso machine, I would suggest that you use the double basket because we are going to use 2 tablespoons of Thai tea. And when the tea is in contact with water, it blooms, it expands. 2 tablespoons might not fill up your basket, but that's absolutely fine. And there's no need to tap. All you have to do is to shake it a little bit, let it level in your basket, and then pull your brewed tea. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one, which is iced tea. Just plain iced tea, tea and water and sugar. I'm going to use the same amount of Thai tea for all the 3 drinks that we're going to make today. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, level tablespoons into my basket here. What you do is first infuse and then wait for a few seconds to let the tea infuse more and also bloom. After a few seconds, pull the rest of your brewed tea. And for this, because this is 22 ounces, I am going to pull 3 ounces of brewed tea. My recipe for plain iced tea is 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. But because I'm going to do the tasting, bear with me, I'm going to just make it 2 tablespoons, okay? There you go. And because the tea is hot, it will dissolve in your hot tea, okay? So stir to dissolve the sugar. Fill this cup to 240 milliliters or 8 ounces. That is 1 full cup with plain water. Now you might ask, why don't you pull 240 milliliters of brewed tea from your espresso machine? The taste will be too strong, so we are going to dilute the tea with water. Okay, so that's it, about 240, 250 milliliters of water there. And this is your Cha Dam Yen, okay? So make sure everything is well combined, fully dissolved. And using the espresso machine, you won't get the sediments at the bottom. Next drink it is iced lemon tea. For this, I am going to show you how to make this using calamansi. You can also use lemon or lime, but calamansi is not readily available in Thailand. It is readily available in the Philippines. It is very sour. It is not commonly used for Cha Manao or iced lemon tea in Thailand because here we use lime and not calamansi. But it is an absolute loss because calamansi is perfect with Thai tea. For my iced lemon tea, I'm going to use exactly the same recipe and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my Thai tea. Again, 1, 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to pull the same amount, which is 90 ml or 3 ounces. Okay, we'll do the same thing. Pre-infuse the tea, not using the pre-infusion system of the machine, but manual. Okay, let it steep, let it bloom for a bit, and then we are going to pull up to 3 ounces of Thai tea. Let's pull the rest of our Thai tea. Okay, 3 ounces there. It is smelling really gorgeous, strong smell of Thai tea. This is exactly what I would like to smell from my Thai tea. And there you go, 3 ounces of brewed Thai tea using the espresso. And I'm going to just dump this And as you can see, it is solid. I am going to use the same amount of sugar. Once again, the recipe original is 2.5 tablespoons. I'm going to use only 2 tablespoons here. 1, 2, and then stir it to dissolve the sugar. Add water. Fill it to 240, 250, or 1 cup of lemon tea here. I'm going to put about 4 pieces here, cut into half. Now the beauty of calamansi is that it is so easy to squeeze, very, very juicy. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. It is, I don't have to exert any effort to squeeze this calamansi into my drink here. So there you go, it is calamansi tea, not lemon tea, okay? And what happens when you add the calamansi there is that it changes the color. It's got this, I love this color, it's beautiful color. It's lighter. So if you can see our plain black tea versus the calamansi tea, it is lighter and it is smelling perfect. Okay, there you go. And for our final drink, it is Thai milk tea. Okay, for the Thai milk tea, once again, using the same recipe for the tea, I am going to use 2 tablespoons of my tea. 1, 2. This machine is perfect. I really like using it. I mean, this is made in China, although the parts and the pump is from Italy and Germany. It is absolutely comparable with my Nova Simonelli Musica. It's so much cheaper too. Anyway, I'm going to now pull my first drop of tea. Okay, let it infuse for a bit. I'm going to use my milk syrup. This time it is a 50% sweetness level, half condensed milk and half evaporated milk. I'm also going to use sugar and creamer for this recipe. It's just the way I like it with my Thai tea brewed from the espresso machine. I'm aiming for 5 ounces or 150 ml of my brewed tea. And then stop when you hit that level. Okay, 1 tablespoon of creamer, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we are going to just stir this so that all the dry ingredients are fully dissolved. The pressure from the espresso machine gives you that strong brew. Okay, and now I'm going to add my milk syrup. And this is my Thai milk tea. Okay, so that is perfect there. Fill your cup with ice and then you have the exact full cup of goodness of iced tea here. Okay, that is iced tea cha da mian. The next one, it is lemon tea. Wow, look at that beautiful color. I'm still excited by the look of this. Okay, there you go. Iced lemon tea or iced calamansi tea. Once again, perfect. And finally, deliciously smelling Thai milk tea. And there you go. And just to make this more premium, because you're offering this in a cafe with espresso machine, I would suggest that you put milk foam. Now, don't you wish you are here with me to give these a try? Well, I am very, very sure these are perfect. Okay, I'll start with my first favorite, which was cha da mian or iced tea. Wow. I would say that if you put the original recipe, which is 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, this would be even more perfect. But as it is now, it is good, very, very good. The tea is strong and it is balanced by the sweetness of that sugar. So if you are turned off by all those sugar, then don't be, because the taste is simply perfect, perfectly balanced, okay? And now, this one is my calamansi tea. Wow, calamansi is perfect with Thai tea. Once again, if you put 2.5 tablespoons, it will even taste better. You can put cream cheese foam on top and that will be phenomenal. Absolutely delicious. And now, everyone's favorite, Thai milk tea. Definitely keeping this one. Well, there you go. 3 classic Thai tea drinks using the espresso machines to brew them, and the recipes that I have indicated today can be adjusted depending on your preferences. Using the espresso machine to brew Thai milk tea and all other tea makes it easy, quick, simple, no mess, and the tea is better tasting. So do give this recipes a try if you do have an espresso machine. I use many different recipes for Thai milk tea, so do check out my book and you will find recipes there for 12 ounces and also for 16 ounces. For today, that's all I would like to share with you. Once you've tried Thai milk tea and all these tea drinks here using an espresso machine, there is absolutely no turning back. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.